So in the last video, I asked you guys to leave comments for suggestions to make a game, and we're going to be doing that in this video. So let's check out the comments and see what we have. That's a bit confusing. I mean, I would too, yeah. Okay, here we have a good idea. So I guess let's get started in Unity. So basically, this commenter wants to have a tree as the main character, so I guess let's design a forest. So here's the forest and the player. Honestly, I think it turned out pretty good. So I put all of this in the game, and here we are. So now we actually need to make some critters to jump over since this commenter asked. So I have the sleeping beaver in the game, and we can jump over them. I didn't want to add a critter because critters are, and they're hard to make basically. I'm going to be ending the video here since I have a bigger project coming up in the future, which you'll probably see in the next video, which isn't coming out long after. Though, don't think I'm going to never finish it. I'm still going to keep working on it, but you know, me being me, I gotta work on other stuff. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.